Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Friday night. Yeah. So big day tomorrow. We'll be going to the Bug Jam. I'll bring you that. I'll do a bunch of footage, and I might interview some people and stuff with their cars and whatnot. So that'll be kind of fun. But we will be there. Look for the Brown's Rod and Custom banner if you're going to Bug Jam. We'll be in the swap meet, used car parts area, I believe. They do it a little weird there. There's like a new parts area, used car, there's like it's a thing, but we'll be in the used parts area with this guy. We got a big tarp, and we got our tent, and we got our flag and everything we're gonna put up, but this will be sitting there with all the parts that are in the back of the truck, and we got some really good stuff. So if you need something, come see me. I'll make you a good deal. Just want to get rid of it, help some people out. I just really don't have time to build a Super Beetle convertible at this point. So yeah, so there's that. That will not be there, so don't expect for that to be there. It's just not ready, and honestly, I planned on having the doors painted by now, but it just didn't work out. So where we're at, let's talk Don's 1957 Chevy Belair. Okay, so let's go back in time and recap something here so we're all on the same page. So this car has new front fenders, aftermarket hood, new aftermarket doors, new aftermarket quarter panels, full quarters, okay, new aftermarket floors, Dutchman, and I believe maybe this back panel here, I believe that too, is all new, and was not exactly done a 1,000,000% correct, right? So like anything, so the other side, the door fits really good, okay? Totally good. This side has been a bit of a deal to get it fitting right. Now here's where we're at. So we got a good line there for the most part. Decent body line on this side. Decent body line and gap on the door and fender. Now the fender still needs to get some adjustment. Ron messed with it a little bit. You know, we're tied up here, but they're all tied up here from what I understand. So long story short, we've spent basically a day and a half getting this door to fit right, or somewhat right, with welding, grinding, cutting, adjusting, you know, 1,000,000 times with the hinges and everything and the striker and all of that to get this to actually work right. So this is where we're at with it. This fender needs a little more adjusting, but it's getting close. We're gonna have to do some work on this hood, mainly on the hood hinges. They need to drop down more than they're dropping, so we're gonna have to figure that out, and then which isn't a big deal, and then just get our lines right up here. This one's not bad. I mean, it really might be a little too much, but if you split the difference between the two, you'd probably be perfect. So that's kind of where that's at. We're working on this, trying to get this all squared away. I had a doctor's appointment at 2 o'clock, so I had to leave early around noon, but Big Ron kept working on it and got that to where it's at, which is fantastic. We did get some things today. See those tires? Those are the new front tires for the 1944 two-door sedan. Now the rear tires are coming on Monday. We ordered them. We have new wheels, 17s in the back, 5 spokes. And we got 15-inch 5 spokes going in the front, and so that'll be here soon. And the new windshield should be here I think next week. So we got a stock style 2-piece windshield that we're going to be putting in. Hey, Don. And yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Don dropped some things off. Let's see what Don dropped off. He dropped off a couple boxes. What we got here? Tudor Ford Sedan back glass seal. So we got the back glass rubber seal in what looks, I'm going to say that's probably the windshield seal. Okay, cool.
There's some clips in that box too.
This box?
Yeah.
Okay.
For the rear glass.
And this looks like the all the cat whiskers and all of that for the side glass and everything. So that's all here. So that's huge. And you do have new glass, right? The big boxes were glass, yeah.
Yeah.
So we got all new glass for this. You got, is door glass in there too?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
The door glass was in the trunk.
Yeah.
And the
that's
windshield,
right. That's
the
right.
windshields are over in the garage.
That's right. You have 2 big boxes full of, yeah. So
One's in the trailer.
I thought they were both
One
in the
might
garage.
be in the
They're both in the
house.
garage.
Are they?
Yeah.
I got one in the
'Cause
trailer
there were
too, so I got
monsters.
3 sets of glass.
Oh shit.
Listen, I was ordering crazy crap, you know, and then I forget what I'd ordered.
Yeah. So it happens.
I mean, I got the escutcheon for around the windshield wipers and new windshield wipers.
Cool.
The whole
And we got the
arm.
motor. You brought the motor over, the
Yeah.
new wiper motor, so we got that. So hopefully, you know, we'll get all this stuff hooked up here shortly. Anyway,
That
guys.
dash looks killer from this angle.
It does, doesn't it? We're gonna wrap this up here, guys. But thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Tomorrow will be all about Bug Jam. I'll do my best to get around to the show as much as I can. I will have to hang out in the booth, or one of us will, just to make sure nothing runs away. But not saying you Volkswagen guys are gonna steal anything. I'm just saying, you know, it could happen. So we do have some stuff. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we will be back tomorrow with more content for you. And it's better. And then we're gonna go ahead and get back on this thing probably Sunday or Monday. Depends on how it goes tomorrow at the show. If we sell a bunch of stuff, we might just call it a day. If not, then we'll be back at Bug Jam on Sunday. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you soon. Have a good night.